Walk up, style clean. Wine my girl, let me do it. Walk up, walk up, style clean. Wine my girl, let me do it. Walk up, style clean. You are pretty girl, pretty girl, pretty girl. Wine my girl, you are pretty girl, pretty girl, pretty girl. Wine my girl, you are pretty girl, pretty girl.
Welcome beautiful people, I am Chev. If you're new to this channel, welcome to this Jamaican and extended Caribbean and African family. Make sure you are subscribed down below. Okay, now for today's video, I wanted to show you guys my go-to hairstyle, which is a slick back ponytail. It is my favorite style when I'm trying to do an in-between style, if I am in between doing a protective style or just styling my natural hair and I don't feel like doing either at the moment. I love a ponytail. So I have partnered with Myfirstwig.com and they sent me 3 ponytails to try it for you guys. Okay, now my hair is fully stretched, or as much as I could get it without like straightening my hair, because a lot of people have the misconception that you have to get your hair super straight to do a sleek ponytail on 4 type hair, which is not true. I have done a ponytail, a sleek ponytail on my hair, freshly washed, all kinky, coily, and shrinkage and all. So it is possible. So you don't have to flat iron your hair. I didn't flat iron my hair. After I washed my hair, I deep conditioned, and then I left it overnight to like, well, not the deep conditioner, but I left my hair in like a plastic shower cap overnight with some leave-in, just to make sure that my hair gets all the moisture that it can. And then today I decided to just blow dry my hair. So you can blow dry your hair, use the proper heat protect and all of that, but you don't need to flat iron your hair. We just want to put it out there. So the style that I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna do a center part, but just with a little bit of a twist. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm about to do. So y'all ready? Let's go. Okay guys, now I'm gonna leave my hair to just dry for about 10 minutes and then we're going to be trying out the ponytails. Okay, now real quick, I just want to show you guys my edges using the Maury's edge wax. And my edges are not staying down with that thing. It's all cute and everything with holding down my hair, but my edges, no. So I'm gonna use my Style Factor Edge Booster to just lay down my edges. So this is the pomade. I'm gonna just put it right on top of my already done soup-de-doo-doops. So unless there is another Maury's edge wax that I could use, if this is the one that you guys have been recommending for me to use, y'all failed me because that shouldn't work. Okay guys, now the first ponytail that I will be trying is the straight ponytail. So this is 22 inches of human hair. So this is a package that it came in, and it has the netting on it and everything. And of course it is a drawstring pony. Now I love me a drawstring pony because as opposed to just using bundles, you can put this off, take it off just whenever you feel like, if you're going to bed and you don't like that extra hair on top of your hair like myself. I love me a drawstring because it's on and off. So to just hide the string of my drawstring, I'm going to tuck it underneath and just use a bobby pin. So I could do either of two things. I could use a piece of the hair, just take a piece of the hair to wrap around the base, or I have this little braided piece of braiding hair here that I could just wrap around just to give it a little bit of size, a little bit of spice, you feel me? So I'm just going to pin this and then wrap it around. So I'm gonna pin the piece from underneath the ponytail. And then just wrap it around the base. When I've gotten to the end of the braid, I'm just going to take another bobby pin and just pin it on top. Now I'm just going to do a light flat ironing to the hair so that it could like look super straight. Well, not super straight, but it doesn't have like that little bop at the end right there. And the thing with getting a human hair ponytail is that it lasts longer, and you can wash it, flat iron it, deep condition it, do all type of things you can to keep the hair in good quality. I want to add a little bit more spice to this hairstyle. So what I'm going to do is, on top of my braids, I'm going to use these hair fashion jewelry on top of it, the same thing that you use in your regular box braids or whatever. So I just have a couple, so I'm just gonna put it on top of the braid that I did in the middle. Okay guys, now this is the look for look number 1, straight braided ponytail. Well, not braided, but straight ponytail with a little bit of spice, a little bit of twist. Okay guys, now on to our second look. And for the second look, or the second ponytail, this is a 22-inch curly ponytail, also 100% human hair. Do you see how bouncy that is and how silky? I feel like this is gonna be like a big curly type of look if I brush it out, so I feel like I'm definitely going to brush it out. So it's gonna be the same method. It's a drawstring ponytail, easy to put on. You just put in both sides of the comb and then pull the string at the bottom. So to make the job easier, you can actually pull the string before you even put on the ponytail so that it gets that crunched up look, so it's already in the circle. Okay guys, now this is our second look, and I must say I am absolutely in love with the texture and curl pattern of this hair. Like, I knew it was gonna be big and curly. I haven't even separated all the curls, and I just love how big it is. It's like not too big, and the length is absolutely perfect in my opinion. So this is the 22-inch curly hair, so I guess it goes all the way down here. So the true length is shown when you stretch the hair, but in its curly state it's more like, looks like a 18 inches, but obviously curly hair, y'all know how that thing goes, right? But yeah, I am loving this. I don't even want to take this one off to try the next one, but I am definitely going to try the next one. But girl, like, tell me what you guys think. Comment down below what you think about this one, but I'm absolutely loving it. Okay guys, now we're on to our final look, and the third and final look is this 8-inch puff. So it is a natural texture puff. So this is how it's looking, but first I want to like fluff it out a little bit closer to my natural texture. If you want, you can keep the curls as is. I want to fluff it out since it is a puff, and when you fluff it out it looks even bigger. So this is how my puff is looking after I have completely comb it out. Okay, and also a recommendation for these type of ponytails, you want to make sure that you wash it. I'm only like putting it straight on right now just because I'm doing the video and I didn't have time to wash them. But you can definitely co-wash these ponytails before you actually like apply them or install them. Okay guys, now this is the final look. I absolutely love this. This looks like my actual natural hair. This puff is hella realistic. Like, look at that. It's super soft, and as I said, it's an 8-inch texture, so if you wanted something bigger you could get something bigger, but if you wanted to look natural like your natural hair, depending on the length of your hair, my hair is on the awkward stage, between awkward and medium type length, so this puff is like, you know, a fake it until you make it type of thing. Okay guys, now this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this entire video. All the details for the ponytails that I tried on will be in my description box down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damn_that's_chev. Comment down below which look was your favorite. Let me know, interact with me, and if you haven't subscribed as yet and you've made it thus far in the video, you need to go on ahead and subscribe, because don't leave until you subscribe, okay sis? That's an order. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.